Dashform doesn't just generate your form. It hands you a full editor to shape every part of it. Open content to rewrite the tone and drag to reorder every step. Edit any question inline, change its type, rewrite the choices, add an option in one click. Theme is where it comes alive. Drop in a background image and set the opacity. Or pick a color preset. Clean, midnight, coral. Then choose the font, the scale, even how each question animates in. Decide how people start, step-by-step, chat, or voice. And on a paid plan, hide Dashform branding completely. Then ship it. Copy a link or embed the form anywhere. Inline, full page, or a popover. One sentence to draft it, a full editor to perfect it. Dashform at getaiform.com.